So yes, in this video I'm coming to share with you how to create a virtual card in just some few steps. You understand? I'm not going to take my mobile phone and teach you the process, but I'll just tell you some one or two things that you have to know before you can create it. It is simple. So you need an application on your phone called Eversend. That's the application that you use. That's the application that I am using to create it. And I want to share with you how you can do it, because there are some one or two things that if you don't know, you'll be confused and you don't know how to do it. Like number one, the number that you'll be using to make a deposit into your Eversend application, you need to make sure that it is your WhatsApp number. Like it should be your WhatsApp number, because they will send you a verification code. They will send you a verification code that you use it to verify your account, and they cannot send it through SMS unless WhatsApp. So make sure that that phone number is your WhatsApp number, and at the same time it is connected to any account, either mobile money or bank account, that you can use it to fund your Eversend app. So once you do that, it is just a few steps. You can just create an account, put some password or PIN code over there. The ask for the account creating is very, very simple. Now, when I'm about to put money into your Eversend application, it's either you use mobile money or bank account. Now, me, I'm using mobile money. So those of you that will be using mobile money, don't use the mobile money direct. There is another thing under over there. Use the other option. It will send you to a web page, and then you just put in the amount, and that's all there. Account number and then everything, and that's all it will come. So that you can use it to the money that will come into your Eversend app. That is what you use it to create your virtual card. You understand? So after that, when you check below, you see something like cards over there. Just click on it, and then you just create a card. That's all. It doesn't take it more than 5 minutes to do that. You just download the application. So the only thing I want you to understand is that they cannot send you the verification code to your SMS, through SMS. They can't do it like that. They can only send it through WhatsApp. So you make sure that that number should be a WhatsApp number, else the verification code will not come. That is the only thing that you are supposed to know. You understand? So that's all. So that's how you can get a virtual card and then start using it. That's what I've been using for a while now, for TikTok subscription, Pro subscription, Netflix, online purchasement, and everything. That's what I've been using. So thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, just make sure you give me a subscription and then like the video.